A food truck sells salads for $6.50 each and drinks for $2 each. The food truck's revenue from selling a total of 209 salads and drinks in one day was $836.50. How many salads were sold that day? All right, so we know that if we denote the number of salads sold by S and the number of drinks D, we are able to therefore see that 6.5 S plus twice D is equal to 836.5. And now the total number of salads and drinks sold is exactly 209. Okay. Now solving this simultaneously, we're able to see that S equals 93. So we have a total of 93 salads that we actually sold. And therefore, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. It's exactly 93 salads sold. Okay, thanks everybody. Goodbye.